Hi students, today we will discuss about the one of the important question of in merchant banking. So what do you mean by in merchant banking? A merchant banker underwrites corporate securities and provides guidelines to clients on issue like corporate mergers. A merchant banker may be in the form of a bank, a firm, company, or even a proprietary concern. It is basically service banking, which provides non financial services such as arranging for funds rather than in providing them. So, another definition given to the in merchant banking, a merchant banker means any person who is engaged in the business of issue management, either by making arrangements regarding buying and selling, subscribing to securities, or acting a manager and advisor, or rendering corporate advisor service in relation to such issue. So merchant banking means any person who engaged in a business. It can be issue in management, either buying and selling of in any arrangements regarding to or subscribing to securities also. So it is also in merchant banking. In next one we will discuss about the in functions of in merchant banking. Some functions are enlisted below. In first one, raising finance for clients. Merchant banking helps its clients to raise finance through issue of shares, debentures, bank loans. So merchant bankers, it can be raising funds in some shares, debentures, bank loans, etc. It helps to clients to raise finance from the in domestic and international market. So rising of funds in domestic countries and international markets. This finance is used for in starting a new business or project, or for mobilization for expansion of the in business. So rising of finance. This is in next one, broker in stock exchange. So merchant banker, it is also a mediator or a brokers also deals with the role. A merchant banker act as a in brokers in the in stock exchange. So it can be play role in a stock exchange in broker role. So they buy and sell shares on behalf of their clients. So it can be in selling to the shares in clients. They conduct a research on equity shares. They also advise their clients. It can be advising to the in clients about which shares to buy, when to buy, how much buy, and when to sell. So the shares will be how much shares will be buying and selling. So large brokers in mutual funds, venture capital companies, and investment bankers offer merchant banking services. So it can be offering to the in investment bankers. So it can be banking services also. So next one, project management. A merchant bankers helps their in clients in many ways. For example, advertising about in location. So it can be in a helps to the in brokers in many roles. It is also one role in advertising to the in location of in clients of in project, preparing a project report, conducting in feasibility studies, marketing a plan for financing the project, finding out sources of finance, advertising about the in concessions and incentives from the government. So it is also in project management. It can be advising to the in project report, or preparing to the in project data. So next one, advice on expansion and modernization. Merchant bankers give advice for the expansion and modernization of the business units. They give expert advice on managers and amalgamations, acquisitions, and takeovers, diversification of business, foreign collaborations, and joint ventures, technology upgradation. So it's it. The next one, managing in public issue of companies. So merchant bank and advise and manage the in public issue of companies. So the They providing following in services. So in first one, advise on the timing of in public issue. So it can be advising to the in timing of in public issue. In next another one, advise on the size and price of the issues. So it can be advising to the size and price of the issue. Next one, acting as manager to the issue. So it can be issuing to the in manager role and helping the accepting applications. The next one, help in appointing underwriters and brokers to issue. The next one, listing of shares on the in stock exchange. So this is the in functions of merchant banking. So thanks for watching. So it is also a very important question.